Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself wondering, wait, how much money do I actually have in my Venmo account right now? You're not alone. Checking your Venmo balance can sometimes feel like a bit of a mystery. But fear not, because in today's video, we're going to break it down step by step, no matter if you're a seasoned Venmo user or just starting out. Before we dive in, let's talk about why knowing your Venmo balance is actually kind of a big deal. Budgeting, understanding how much money is available in your Venmo account is crucial for budgeting. You can track your spending, avoid overspending, and make sure you have enough funds for upcoming expenses. Avoiding overdrafts. If you're planning to use Venmo for a purchase or to send money, knowing your balance helps prevent any awkward situations where you accidentally overdraft your account. Reconciling transactions. Regularly checking your balance allows you to easily reconcile your transactions and ensure that all your payments and transfers have gone through as expected. Method 1. Checking your balance within the Venmo app. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. The most common and easiest way to check your Venmo balance is within the Venmo app itself. Here's how. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone or tablet. Home screen. Once you're in the app, you'll usually land on the home screen. This is where you'll see your recent activity, including incoming and outgoing payments. Balance display. Look for your current Venmo balance. It's typically displayed prominently at the top of the screen, often above your recent activity feed. Account summary. You can also find a more detailed summary of your account balance by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will usually show you your available balance, as well as any pending transactions. Method 2. Checking your balance on the Venmo website. If you prefer to use a computer, you can also check your Venmo balance on the official Venmo website. Go to Venmo.com, open your web browser and navigate to the Venmo website. Log in, enter your Venmo username and password to log into your account. Balance display. Once you're logged in, you should see your current balance displayed prominently on the home page or on your account summary page. Now, let's talk about some helpful tips and tricks for checking your Venmo balance. Enable notifications. Turn on push notifications within the Venmo app. This will alert you to any incoming payments, outgoing payments, and low balance warnings, keeping you informed about your account activity in real time. Review transaction history. Regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all your payments and transfers have been processed correctly. You can easily filter your transaction history by date, type, and recipient. Check for pending transactions. Keep an eye out for any pending transactions that may be affecting your available balance. Pending transactions are those that have been initiated but not yet completed. Understand fees. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's fee structure. While many person-to-person payments are free, there may be fees associated with certain transactions, such as bank transfers or credit card payments. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to check your Venmo balance. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the Venmo app or website from loading properly. Log out and log back in. If you're having trouble seeing your balance, try logging out of the Venmo app or website and then logging back in. Update the Venmo app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Contact Venmo support. If you continue to experience problems, reach out to Venmo's customer support team for assistance. Beyond the basics, understanding your Venmo account. Checking your balance is just the beginning when it comes to understanding your Venmo account. Here are a few other important things to consider. Linking your bank account. Linking your bank account to Venmo allows for easy transfers and withdrawals. Adding a credit card. You can also add a credit card to your Venmo account, which can be convenient for making purchases. Security and privacy. It's important to take steps to protect your Venmo account by creating a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and reviewing your privacy settings. Checking your Venmo balance is a simple yet essential task for managing your finances. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily monitor your account activity, avoid overspending, and ensure that your transactions are processed smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.